Alright guys, so it's pretty early this morning. We're taking the blue STI here to go rent a pickup truck to pull the new vehicle, and as you've probably seen by the title, you already know what it is. But yeah, the Chevy half-ton that I normally pull just isn't going to be big enough to pull this vehicle, so let's get on the road and go pick up the rental truck. Alright guys, so we picked up the rental truck. It's a Ford F350, and we also got a trailer behind me, so now we can go pick up the new vehicle. Alright guys, so we're almost there to pick up the new vehicle. We had to make a quick stop at Home Depot to grab a couple ratchet straps before we go and pick it up, so let's get to it.
Okay, so I'm sure you guys are wondering exactly how much I picked this truck up for, as you've seen by the thumbnail. So here's the listing. As you can see, $2,000, which is incredibly cheap for this truck when the Kelly Blue Book for it is $27,000 in working condition, obviously. But still, as you can tell, those are the only pictures I had to go off of, and here's the description, which shows what the owner thinks is wrong with the truck. As you can see, it needs some brake work, which I found there was an open recall for, actually. So I'm going to see if I can get that taken care of, and then obviously the engine is also potentially blown. But it was a deal I just couldn't pass up, so let's go pick up the truck.
Alright guys, so unfortunately we've been in this Home Depot parking lot for about the past hour. The trailer lights haven't been working, and obviously we don't want to be driving like that at night, so I've spent the last probably 45 minutes wasting my time trying to fix the trailer electrical wiring with dielectric grease, cleaning the connections, and I just popped the hood and found the fuse panel, and one of the fuses for the tow lights was blown. So we found the spare fuse box down below in this compartment, and we grabbed the spare 30 amp fuse, which we're going to now go install, and we're crossing our fingers that that'll turn the trailer lights on. All right, guys, so it looks like that fixed the problem. All right, guys, how's it going? So we just stopped. We're about halfway home. We're getting some fuel. As you can see behind me, we got the Ford pulling the new project. So let's go check it out. So this right here is the new vehicle. A 2014 Ford F150 with an EcoBoost motor that is blown up. One owner truck, 63,000 original miles. It's in all right condition. We're gonna make it really nice though. All right, guys, so we just finished cleaning the car at the car wash. Just before I start working on it, I like to clean all the dirt off the underside just so there's no dirt falling in my eyes. But the truck actually cleaned up pretty nice. All right, so as you guys can tell, the truck actually cleaned up really, really nice. I'm actually impressed. I mean, obviously the bumper needs to be replaced, but overall, pretty impressed with how good of condition this paint's in. I mean, the truck only has 63,000 miles, but it looks really good. So it's the next morning now. As you can tell, we got the truck on the trailer and it's time to unload it. So let's do it. So the first thing I'm actually going to be doing is swapping a good battery into the truck just so it'll maybe start. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we got the truck all parked on a hill. It's going to help for unloading it, so let's go unload the truck. Okay, guys, so as you can tell, we got the new truck here in the garage. It's a 2014 Ford F-150 with 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, which is a really interesting motor. It has twin turbos, so it should be pretty interesting to work on it. The truck's also a really tight squeeze here in the garage. There's not much room, but like and subscribe to follow the journey of the truck. Thanks for watching.